Hello friends, once again, welcome back to your own channel. Today, I brought you such amazing home smart gadgets that when your neighbors see your house, they will only have one word to say: wow, what a place. So, without any delay, let's start the list of gadgets. Number 1. MagCubic Projector HY300P RO. MagCubic Projector HY300P RO brings cinema magic home. 4K resolution, Android 11, and dual Wi-Fi make it perfect for cozy nights in or outdoor movie nights. Big screen entertainment in the comfort of your own space. Number 2. Self-cleaning squeeze mop. It's a game-changing mop. Machine washable, spin dry, lightweight, and effective. Easy to use and clean. Self-cleaning feature. Effective and versatile. Durable and space-saving. These feathers make it different from other. Number 3. Smart DC Standing Fan. A game-changer in home comfort. This smart fan's frequency conversion technology ensures efficient and quiet operation. With the Mi Home app, you can control it remotely and schedule cooling sessions. The upgraded versions improve design and build quality, energy efficient and eco-friendly. It's a must-have for any smart home. Number 4. Portable Refrigerator 12V24V. Stay fresh on the go with this portable 30L drawer refrigerator. Perfect for RVs, camping, and road trips, it keeps your food and drinks cool and fresh with its powerful compressor cooling. No more lukewarm drinks or spoiled food. Get this portable fridge and enjoy the convenience of having a reliable refrigerator wherever you go. Number 5. Ceiling fan with LED light. You will love this ceiling fan. Quiet DC motor, huge air volume, bright LED light, and convenient remote control. Modern Desi. Number 6. Projects 3D Holograms Fan. Buy this fan if you want images and videos in HD. Perfect for advertising, parties, and events. Easy to use and supports various formats. Grabs attention with holographic effect. Buy for standout displays. So, with this, our list of home smart gadgets ends here. Don't forget to tell us which gadget you like the most. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.